Hello my friends! Good news! Look what I've got! It's the page from the European Space Agency. All the scientific research they did on the International Space Station. This is awesome. Today is the day I can finally prove that NASA and ESA is doing science in space. Look at the amount of links. All experiments. So let's check it out. Let's start with the first one. Empty page. That's probably a coincidence. Let's look at the second one. Oh, it's an empty page again. Maybe the third one. You know what? I will check out all these links. I'm not gonna keep you waiting, and if I find anything, I'll get back to you.
One eternity later.
I'm at the end of the page. I clicked on every single link and they all go to an empty page. Every single link. The only few links that are working are some of the references in the bottom. So let's check it out. Well, this one is not working. Let's try another one. You see, some of them are working, but then if you look at them, there are almost always no results. Always empty. Another one. See, objective, procedure, and no result. So basically it's an ID for an experiment without a result. Again, no results. Wait, I found one before. This one, crickets in space. This one had a result. You see, we made 112 crickets in space. So that's the kind of science we have done on the International Space Station. Maybe someone else can find some other interesting stuff. I'll leave the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.